Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lace up a pair of Timberland boots in a standard style like this one here. I'm also going to show you what to do with the lace bow at the end, the different options for you. But if you've just got a brand new pair of Timberlands, they'll probably have arrived like this, which is the factory standard lacing, and we're going to go ahead and fix that now. Remove any tags or anything that are on the boots. Undo these laces. Take them all the way out, including this little X here, and leave this loop at the bottom. Make sure both lace ends are of equal length, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Begin with this lace here, take it over the boot tongue and into the second eyelet up from the bottom. Making sure it's nice and neat and there's no twists. Then take this rope lace, take it over this side and into the second eyelet from the bottom. Take your time with this, there's no rush. Keep pausing the video or play it on half speed if you need a little bit of extra time. Then keep a hold of this lace, bring it over into the third eyelet from the bottom on this side. And then swap back to this guy and bring it into the third eyelet from the bottom on this side. Now we're always going to be doing the laces in the same order so that you always have the same lace sat on top and the same lace sat on the bottom for a nice uniform style. On the other boot you'll do it in a mirror image and you'll see it's this lace that's sat on top, not this one on this side, so it looks really nice and uniform all the way up. So continue by holding onto this lace, bringing it over into the next eyelet up, and then back to this guy. So make sure it's always the same lace on top. You can just double check that you've got that result now. Okay, keep a hold of this one. And we're getting there, guys. Swap back to this one, into the next eyelet up. And keep a hold of this one, make sure there's no twists. Into the next eyelet up. Same on this side. And the final eyelet, and then we'll move on to what to do to tie the boots. So I'd suggest taking a minute here to just tighten up the laces and adjust everything to make sure it's sitting nice, and then we'll do the bow. So when everything's looking nice and you've got quite a bit of lace end spare, go ahead and knot these laces as usual and tie your lace bow. So you get it nice and tight. It'll be a lot easier when your foot's in the shoe for this part. Now, I quite like the look of the bow, and so do a lot of men and women who wear Timberlands, but if you want a little bit of a crisper finish, you can do a slightly looser bow, and then just go ahead and tuck it behind the boot tongue while you're wearing it. And what this will do is create a really crisp finish like on this boot here. Now in this boot I have a sock stuffed down underneath the boot collar to show you what your leg and foot will have as an effect on the laces, and this one looks a little bit thin, but that's because there's no foot in there. Rest assured when it's in there it'll look like this and be super crisp. Don't forget to lace the other boot in the mirror image of the one you just done, and enjoy your Timberland boots, they're absolutely awesome. If you found the info in this video helpful, it'd be great if you could hit the like button and help it reach more people. Thank you.